Was buying a lunchbox earlier today, and it reminded me of a story from back in freshman year. Beamy, 14 years old, had this one friend in school who's pretty big boned. Great guy, really. We're super good friends and play video all the time. He's like half a foot taller than me, though. One day, think of a funny prank. Go up to him in the hallway after third period. Hey, what's up, Anon? Hey, buddy, can you hold this for me? Hand him my fuzzy Chewbacca lunchbox. He extends both hands and holds it. With both hands occupied, he has no way to defend himself. I slap his left titty with my left hand. I slap his right titty with my right hand. The old 1-2. They jiggle back and forth a moment. I grab my lunchbox out of his hands and run away, because he'd beat my ass in a fight. Laugh about it online later that night with him on Discord. On call with him as I write this now. He's still a great guy and a super good friend. Pick related, it's the lunchbox.